Okay, then let's try and have a look at what it looks like when you are trying to do TCESpal. So this is what it would look like when you log on. Initially, you would be seeing your hero, of course. So what I'm doing now is that you click on the guild icon. Here it would say Valhalla Cadets. And then in the tools section, because you guys are now officers, you'll have access to these. So soldier rank table, if you click on it, yeah, I already clicked it in the background, so that's why it's not moving. These are all the heroes. So for instance, for next event, we're going to be doing, let's say we're doing Season D, which is 4th Echelon. You click in that one. It's Black Arrow. It is John Brown's Army. It's Hawk Squadron. And it's Wolves. So in that season, you will have these. Now when you mark them, you just press X, and these are the heroes. So let's say you wanted 9 as the maximum. You click 9. It will then display all the heroes that you have in the guild. Not just yours, but in the guild. And then, obviously, rank 1, you have 30 people. Rank 2, you have, for Anna Grimsdotter, you have 2, 30, 30, 30, 30. And then they keep dropping off. And then, wow, you already have some at 10. Okay, let's click 10 then. Then you have 18 people currently in the guild in that have Anna. So at least you know, okay, so Anna Grimsdotter is a good pick. You mark her down. So when the notes come out, you can see that if you want to push her to 10, in this case, Koste is in the same node as Anna Grimsdotter. You will see this when the notes come out later, or we will provide them to you when we can. So then you can just look Costa and see how many people have him at 10. Oh, only one person. Not too bad, but a lot of people have Anna. So making Anna 10 is a good idea. So that's how you look when you're trying to decide what heroes to choose. So in the end, when you've decided what heroes you guys want to focus on, you move on into tools, and then you go to war enlistment. In the war enlistment, you write in all the heroes by clicking on the portrait. And then obviously on the phone it doesn't seem to work, but you click on the portrait and then you can pick another member. So you pick the right one. So that's how it works. And then you click here. You can choose if it's a duo node or a double node when you click on. So this is what you do. So in this case, this one is set up for Season C, which is Last Man Battalion, Division, Spetsnaz, and Rogues. So you click on it, you choose the target rank, minus or plus basically, or minimum max, depending on how you want to do it. So in this case, we've chosen that we want rank 9. So you click it up to rank 9, and you mark it. So the other ones, you don't have to put anything. If you leave them at 0, they will not be counted. So in this case, it will tell you that you need a minimum of attacks of 81 attacks is what you need at the maximum intel collection. So then show the best team. Here you go. So in this case, my team is 210k. We'll be using rank 9. So even if you have heroes that are rank 10, since we only push them to rank 9, they will only be rank 9. So here, it's very useful to get the members of the team to push the gear level as well, to push it up. But yeah, this is how it works really. So this gives you guys a chance also to see how is the team doing. Another useful thing is that when you pick nodes based on, again, soldier rank table, that should be the first one you look at. You pick the ones that you think will be the best ones for the guild. You apply them into the war enlistment tool, which is this one. You then look at the teams, and then you have a look. Average squad power is 168178. That's the average squad power. You can tweak this by, for instance, saying that, okay, maybe we should do Blizz rank 10 instead. And then you look at the average squad power. Didn't do anything. So making him higher makes no difference. Okay, then we don't change him. Maybe we want to change the rogues. So you push the rogues up and you go back down. You dropped. Okay, so let's not do that then. Because it means that you need to use your remaining attacks. So the maximum attacks you can use in a guild is 90. That means you have 3 people with 3 attacks each. That's 9 attacks as reserves. So this is this bar tells you what you need to know. So I'm just letting you guys, this is what tells you. So having a few attacks left, it's good because you do need at least 3 to 5 attacks in reserve, because that would be the best thing. just unless the guild works really well. But having five to I would say six. So I have two people in reserve, preferably officers, because then you can go in and push the nodes that you think would still benefit the team. So this is what it looks like. You put in all the nodes, and then you tweak it and based on soldier rank table, and you guys think that, okay, we now have the perfect team. So this is what it does. Later, if you want to look at a specific member because you've noticed that he keeps scoring very low, then go in here and you can just pick that member. And then you can have a look at, okay, well, maybe he's hero. Okay, Sven, no, Sven was high, Fixie was high. Oh, no, they're all high. Or you stumble upon the fact that maybe one of my heroes is just rank 3. Then you know why. So from the heroes you've unlocked, I have him, but I only have him at rank 3, for instance. So this way you can at least log in and see the specific members. So keep that in mind, that if you want to look at someone, you can do this. So let me go back to this one. So this is the one I have. In here we should be 2 members now, Foxhound as well. So let's look at Foxhound. Foxhound has done nothing at the moment, but obviously when he puts in his heroes, you'll be able to check it. And so again, tools gives you this. So the member table I don't use as much. The soldier CCV I don't use at all. So it's only soldier rank table and war enlistment tool that I use. So this one will show all the heroes for the guild. And this one will give you a chance to put in the nodes. But for some reason my phone does not like that. So you may have to do this on a computer or perhaps another phone that isn't a Huawei. So who knows. Anyway, good luck guys. I know you guys are going to do amazing things, and if you ever stumble upon a problem, just contact us, the officers in Valhalla, and we'll help you guys out. Don't worry about it. We'll work together.